I'm Matt. This is Rolling with the Curves. Today we're going to show you a couple of the sacrifices we make to have a beautiful campsite like we do. Stay tuned and we'll show you the nitty-gritty and the down and dirty. This isn't intended to be a commercial and I'm not sponsored by anyone yet, hint hint, but we use the liquefied tank treatment. Some of you out there do videos I've seen for the tank cleaners, the service that comes out, and I think that's a great thing to do. And their thing is that it's not a septic system, it's a holding tank. Totally agree. It's a holding tank. But when you hold your black stuff for 3 or 4 days, you want it to break down, I think. And that's in my mind. I don't want to leave it there sitting, holding. I want it to break down. So we use that liquefied by Matt's RV. I think it's Matt's RV. RV toilet treatment. There it is. We treat it when we leave. And every week when we dump, we put an extra 5 gallons of water down the drain. I'll show you that now. This is a Paradigm 310RL, and here's our panel. I use the black nitro gloves, and I use these generously. Another little hack I have here, when I'm done, I have a nice little water spigot. Put this on here, and then I have antibacterial soap here. I got this nice little caddy to hold any tools, and I always have liquefied. Again, we're not sponsored for this. It's just a good product. I'm very happy with it. I've got quick fittings on here, and when I back flush my black tank, I want to know exactly how much I'm putting in, so I have this little inexpensive water meter, and I've got all the quick release connections here. That just makes life easier. I'll put a link to those too, because this is like one of those $5 items that just makes life so much easier. I have it done with quick connects. When we go on the road, I take this stuff off. There we go. There we go on there. And we'll give it a quick test to make sure that it doesn't fly off. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. Camco gives you this short little hose. And we're gonna release the black, it's got a release valve on it to let air out. Now it's running. We got that filling. And that's running. We're ready to wash up afterwards, just in case we have a poopsie. I bought a 36-gallon tank. That was maybe, I don't know, 6 years ago. And it's a Camco 36-gallon tote. It's great. We have 60 gallons of black water we hold. When you figure that it's maybe 8 pounds a gallon, that's a lot. We dump this every Sunday. And I'll show you why the weight thing's an issue when we get up to the dump station. Close this off. We actually got 6 gallons in before, so we'll reset that. There we go, and that'll turn off automatically. It's gonna take 2 hands. There we go. I got my trusty little twist ties. Very handy tool. If you purchase from the link on my page, it is an Amazon affiliate link. You don't get charged extra for it, but I might get a little commission. I'm not exactly sure what that commission is on like $6 though. I think it's maybe a few cents. Yeah, buy one. I'll tell you how much it was. We're gonna finish this up here and close this up. It's going to the dump station with us. This is maybe 6 inches down from the top, so it's gonna be heavy today. We're ready to roll out. The Valterra makes an add-on for this, but when we had it on here, it made this whole part sit down low. So when we went to the dealer for some warranty work, we had this little gate put on there permanently. Best investment. It's a beautiful day. It's going to be hot today here. There's paradise. Okay, I'm going to show you why the weight of this thing matters so much. There's a curb here. I don't know if it shows up in the video, but we have to go over the curb to get to the dump. The treasure lies here, under this hatch. Woo! Can you guys smell that? So we set up our tools. There's probably a good 30 gallons in here right now. So we just do this in baby steps because it's a lot of weight. We don't take this with us when we travel. We only use this here. Okay. Hit that like button, ring that bell. That way you get notified when you get more episodes like this. I think everybody likes poop. One of the necessary evils of camping. We don't take this with us when we travel. we find dump stations or we stay in full hookup, the first time we hook up, I will literally flush the black tank for 10 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna pull this forward to where it's kind of level and let it drain the rest of the way. Give it a little hand. It'll be a lot easier to take out than it was to put in. That was everything. I put this back for the next person. He has a service he comes by with a honey pot, and we'll do it for you. Okay. We'll get this back on the back of the truck, or tractor, I should say. I always give this a quick rinse. We'll hide the treasure for the next user. I told you I was going to show you how to take these gloves off. I'm no expert. This is how I do it. You pinch the palm, you hold it in your hand like that, then you take your finger or fingers and get on the other side and get in there real good and roll it inside out. Poop free. Brake, ignition, throttle. After a hard week of play, we got to clean up our toys. Tucked away for next week. Okay, here's the best part. Hook it up. Get some antibacterial soap. Now I'm cleaning up to drive home. Take this off because it does perpetually drip. Not sure why. Don't forget to subscribe.